Okie doke. So I have now sewn that top seam. Can you see that there? The red along the top there. So that's holding it in place. That's the seam we did at the start. So it's a bit of a open flap here. So what we want to do next, maybe if I do it like that, what we want to do next is sew the bottom seam. So this one along here, and that's what makes the casing. When we sew that, it's secure, and all that's open is this little end for us to insert the wire. So we want it to go all the way across the bridge there and all the way to here. When we do this particular seam, it is a seam that will be seen, so we want it to look half decent. It also, again, will have a lot of stress placed on it, so make sure that your stitches are really secure, and you definitely need to backstitch here. I actually go to the end, I backstitch, and then I go to the end again, so there's actually 3 lines of stitching over that particular spot. There is a lot of stress placed on this particular seam. So, to give you a tip when you're doing it, remember that it's not a straight line. So we're going to start here and we're going to come up here to the bridge. As we're going, you can pop the material. Popping means that you push that bit in there, see, and it pops out. See how that's now a 3D thing? Yeah. So we stitch up to the point of the bridge here, we pop it, and then we stitch down to the end here. You can pin this if you need to. I began by pinning it because I wasn't sure, but I found that I didn't really need to. It holds itself pretty well. Also, because it's cut on the bias, you have a little bit of wiggle room. It will stretch a little bit for you, so that's pretty handy too. All right, I'll stitch that up and show you what it looks like.